Beautiful, inspirational, and profitable. Welcome to this exceptional opportunity for an established commercial nursery on 75 acres. Situated in the heart of the Willamette Valley by the South Santiam River and close to I-5, this property is ideally located. Including 3 homes on 4 tax lots and numerous nursery buildings, it has everything you need for a turnkey nursery or agribusiness. The nursery buildings include warehouses, a shipping building, greenhouses, hoop structures, offices, and outbuildings. The greenhouses include a 90,000 square foot automated Cravo greenhouse, 100,000 square feet of hoop houses, as well as more than 37,000 square feet of other greenhouses, some heated. You'll also find a nearly 8,000 square foot warehouse or shop and a 2,700 square foot machine shed. The featured home is surrounded by peaceful landscaping. Heading inside, you'll discover an inviting, light and bright interior with many recent updates. The kitchen and dining area have direct access to the private patio. On this main level, you'll find 3 generous bedrooms and 2 full baths. Just up the stairs, you'll find 2 vaulted spaces, perfect for any number of uses. Additional homes provide rental income or multi-generational living options. This property includes sufficient water rights for a nursery operation with underground mainline and lateral. Irrigation is fully automated with valves and clocks. Current inventory and nursery equipment could be negotiated for sale. A fantastic opportunity to take over a successful growing operation. It's all here on River Drive in Lebanon. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact TJ Garber with Premier Property Group.